Selamat ulang tahun The Jakarta Post.
Situated in the lobby of Lotte Shopping Avenue in Kuningan, South Jakarta, from April 25 to 29 are several pieces of history, narrating the visual ride of Indonesia's longest-running English newspaper, the Jakarta Post. To mark the paper's 35th anniversary this year, the Post's photography team assembled an exhibition featuring the best 100 photographs ever featured, taken, and published by the paper's photography team throughout the years. From the paper's origins in the 1980s to the tumultuous 1990s, the shifting 2000s, and the extraordinary 2010s, the Headliners Photo Exhibition tells both the history of the Jakarta Post and Indonesia at the same time. Along with the exhibition, the paper has launched its own photography archive website, the jakartapostimages.com, where a comprehensive digitized collection of the paper's best images are available to view and use personally, socially, and commercially. Highlights of the event are discussion and book signing of The Guardians of Tradition, a photo book by the Post's senior photographer PJ Leo.